How to send money using Taptap Send. Without wasting any time, let us begin by downloading and installing the Taptap Send app.
ダウンロードしてください。
When installation is done, open the Taptap app. Click on the sign up option. You can use your email address, your Google account, or your Apple ID. So, enter your full legal name and then click the button marked next. Enter your email address and your password. Then confirm your password by typing it here in this box. Select your residence country by clicking on this drop down button and type your full phone number in this space. Go ahead and enter your OTP to verify your phone number and then click next. Select the country where you want to send your money. As you can see, there are over 40 countries to which you can send money using Taptap Send. Let me select India here. Then enter the amount of money you want to send in this space. You will see the conversion rate here. And this is how much the recipient will receive. Make sure you're okay with that amount. You can use a promo code here so that you get $20 when you sign up. Click on the next button down here and then allow Taptap Send to access your contacts. To give them permission, click on this allow button. You can also add a new recipient by clicking on add new recipient as you see on the screen. Choose your preferred payout method. I'm going to choose bank account. So go ahead and enter the recipient's bank account details. Because I'm sending money to India via bank transfer, I'm also required to enter the IFSC. Again, that may vary depending on the payout method you choose to use. If you're sending money to any other country other than India, you won't be required to enter that code. Because of the type of transfer I'm making, I'm also required to enter the recipient's date of birth and my home address. Go ahead and do it and then add your payment card details. That is your debit card details, and then click save. As a standard procedure for sending money, you also be required to enter your date of birth. As you can see on the screen, now your transfer is ready to be confirmed. Make sure the information you entered is all correct, and if you're satisfied, then click pay with card. You will receive a copy of your transaction indicating all the transaction details. Remember, you can always access this information in your account settings. You can also take a screenshot for future use. So that's how you send money using Taptap Send. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.